Hi, again, my name is Leslie McFarland. I'm going to be going over Module 12, Chapter 13 with you. It deals with factoring. First of all, I'm going to go over just some general factoring rules. And I'm not a professional video person, so I apologize, but I hope that these videos are helpful for you. First of all, the first thing that you're always going to do when you're factoring is look for the greatest common factor, the GCF. All kind of polynomials that need to be factored, you should start there first. Second, if there are 4 terms, then you should group. That's grouping with parentheses. Okay? Next, you're going to have 2 different kinds of trinomials to factor. You're going to have one where this number is equal to 1. We know that's an invisible one. We're going to have some where this number is greater than 1. Okay. All right. We're going to have 2 different methods for factoring. When the number is 1, that number is 1, we're going to have one method. And when that number is greater than 1, we're going to have a different method. The next kind you might see would be 2 terms. We call these often the difference of squares, the difference of 2 perfect squares. You factor those in a different way. So these are the 4 things that you might encounter. First of all, you always start with the greatest common factor. Look to see what they have in common that you can take out. If there are 4 terms, you're going to group using parentheses. If there are 3 terms, you have to look to see if this number is 1 or if this number is greater than 1. That's going to determine how you're going to work that problem. If there are 2 terms, you're going to ask yourself, is this the difference of squares? And that's going to help you factor those kind. I'm going to work some of each of these with you, and hopefully it will help with your factoring.